Drift off to dreamland, your guide to a restful night. Are you tired of counting sheep? Do you long for a night of deep, restorative sleep? You're not alone. Let's explore simple ways to transform your sleep routine and wake up feeling refreshed. Many of us struggle with sleep. Stress, technology, and busy schedules often steal our precious rest. It's time to reclaim your nights and prioritize your well-being. Sleep deprivation affects everything. It impacts your mood, focus, and overall health. Let's find some gentle solutions to help you unwind. Essential oils offer a natural way to promote relaxation. They can help calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep. Let's explore some of the best options. These oils work by interacting with your brain's limbic system. This system plays a key role in emotions and memories. By stimulating it, we can encourage relaxation. Lavender is perhaps the most well-known essential oil for sleep. Its calming scent reduces stress and anxiety. It's a gentle and effective sleep aid. Try diffusing lavender in your bedroom before bed. You can also add a few drops to your pillow. Breathe deeply and let the aroma soothe you. Chamomile is another excellent choice for sleep. It has a soothing scent that aids those with restless thoughts. It's perfect for calming a busy mind. Chamomile tea is a popular bedtime beverage. You can also diffuse chamomile essential oil. Its gentle aroma will help you drift off to sleep. Bergamot, a citrus oil, offers mood-lifting and calming benefits. It's a great choice if you struggle with anxiety or sadness. It can create a peaceful bedtime atmosphere. Bergamot is unique because it's both uplifting and relaxing. Diffuse it in your bedroom or add a few drops to a warm bath. Enjoy its bright and calming scent. Cedarwood's grounding aroma can slow racing thoughts. It promotes restful sleep by creating a sense of stability. It's a great choice for those who feel scattered or overwhelmed. Cedarwood is often used in meditation practices. Diffuse it in your bedroom or apply it to your pulse points. Let its earthy scent ground you. Ylang-Ylang helps ease tension and encourage relaxation. It's a sweet and floral scent that promotes feelings of peace. It's perfect for unwinding after a long day. Ylang-Ylang can help lower blood pressure and heart rate. Diffuse it in your bedroom or add it to a massage oil. Let its calming properties soothe your body and mind. Combine essential oils with other sleep-promoting practices. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Make your bedroom a haven for rest. Dim the lights an hour before bed. Avoid screens and engage in calming activities. Read a book, take a bath, or listen to soothing music. Everyone is different, so experiment with different essential oils. Find what works best for you. Pay attention to how each oil makes you feel. Start with small amounts and gradually increase as needed. Always dilute essential oils before applying them to your skin. Listen to your body and trust your intuition. You deserve a good night's sleep. By incorporating essential oils and creating a relaxing bedtime routine, you can transform your sleep. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to refreshed mornings. Ready to experience the power of restful sleep? Start tonight. Purchase a diffuser and a selection of essential oils mentioned in this video. Begin experimenting with different blends and create your perfect sleep sanctuary. Share your experiences in the comments below and let us know which oils work best for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and tricks to help you live your best, most rested life.